Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to safely take down your cornrows so that you can avoid breakage as much as possible. As important as the protective style is, the takedown process is also equally important because you could lose a lot of hair and all that hair that you have grown during the duration of your protective style. So the first thing I'm going to do is to spritz my hair with some water because my hair is very dry, and taking down a protective style while it is dry will lead to you losing even more hair than you are supposed to. You can add a bit of leave-in conditioner to your water, or you could just make use of it like that. I'm going to be reviewing a product I recently introduced into my hair care routine. This is the Sunny Owl Not Free Forever leave-in conditioner. I do love the consistency. It's not very thick and it's not very thin. It's just perfect. I also noticed that a little goes a long way. So I'm going to be taking a generous amount of this conditioner and just basically put it all over my hair. I basically want the water and the leave-in conditioner to soak up in my hair so as to retain moisture, so that when I'm taking down my hair, the process is way easier. You really do not want to take down your hair when it is dry because this makes your hair more prone to breakage. So after the moisturizing process, the next thing I do is to take down my cornrows gently from the tip all the way to the beginning of each section. While taking them down, guys, you need to be very careful. You need to detangle as much as possible because I've left this hair for about 2 months and it's so prone to breakage, and I do not want to lose the amount of hair I have gathered during this month of moisturizing, massaging, and doing every other growth routine. One thing I've noticed about most naturalistas is that whenever they put on protective style, they just forget about their hair. This shouldn't be. Do not skip moisturizing your hair during the period you leave it in. This is so as to avoid your hair from getting too dry and start to break off as a result. So, no matter the protective style your hair is in, you need to moisturize daily, massage daily, and just basically take care of it so that you don't lose even the littlest amount of strands. So after taking down this section, I'm going to go in to detangle my hair little by little, and I'll also use my wide tooth comb to comb it out. When you take your hair down this gently, you're not going to lose so much of a hair. You're going to lose as little hair as possible, and this is the amount of hair I lost after taking down that section. So guys, when taking down your protective style, any protective style at all, be it braids, cornrows, passion twist, you just want to get busy. You don't want to take all your time just taking down your cornrows. You could watch movies. So when I'm taking down my cornrows or any protective style, I normally watch movies or listen to ministrations. I also listen to podcasts. You just find something that will make the whole process fun for you because you don't want to rush this process. Trust me, it makes a great difference when you take down your cornrows gently, detangle every section as much as possible. So just find something else doing so you don't waste so much of your time taking down your cornrows. This is going to help to a great extent. So just make sure that you are very patient with your hair so that you do not lose much hair. So after taking down this section, I basically figure detangle. I use my wide tooth comb. The goal is just to make sure my hair is super detangled so that to make my shampooing process smooth, because my hair was so dirty right here taking down the cornrows. You can imagine leaving your hair for up to 2 months. You can imagine how dirty your hair will be. I also feel free to apply more leave-in conditioner on my hair after taking it down to make the detangling process easier and make the combing go through smoothly. So one thing I do, instead of leaving my hair like that, I just go ahead to twist them up after taking down about 2 to 3 sections. This is so that my hair does not tangle back up after detangling my hair. Y'all know how natural hair is now and tangling up. So boom guys, I'm done. This took me hours, but I'm done because I took my time. So after everything, I decided to pick my hair from the ground and show you guys the amount of hair I lost. This is not so much. I think it's normal, and if you lose this amount of hair, I think it's normal. It's not so much. I'm so happy I didn't lose any of my edges. My edges are intact, my nape is intact, my crown is intact, and boom, my hair is thriving. Thank you so much guys. Bye.